Hey guys, today we're staying in a one-bedroom standard view here at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. I'm going to give you a quick little tour around. We have this little dinette area here in the kitchen. Nice little kitchen here with dishwasher, full-size stove, full-size refrigerator. And here in the living area, the couch pulls out into a bed. And underneath the TV is a pull-down bed. From this room, it is a standard view, but we do have a direct view of the monorail and the fountain down there. This is the king-size bedroom. Little TV area, sitting area. Nice large walk-in closet. Large tub in this half of the bathroom here. Appears to have the TV in the mirror also. And through the second half of the bathroom here, more counter space and a large walk-in shower with a rain head. And it wraps back around where there's a washer and dryer in the unit. More closet space. Again, this is a one-bedroom standard view here at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. View of the beach area here, and a nice big balcony.